What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and I guess I should welcome myself back because I've been gone for a long time off the channel. The reason why I haven't been uploading is because I am a graduate student, and this was my last semester, and it always gets hectic at the end of the semester. So I can never ever have time to film videos, to edit them and get them up to you guys. But I just want to give a huge thank you to everyone who subscribed, everyone who showed love to my tuner video, well, the tuning video for the trifecta tune. I had no idea the video would get so many views, and it's really exciting to see all you guys commenting and asking questions and stuff. That stuff is awesome. Please keep it up. Keep it coming. I'll keep the videos pumping out for you guys because that's really awesome. And I just want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed and who liked the video, and everybody who watched it and thought it was really helpful. Thank you guys once again. This video that you're about to see is older footage that I had filmed before the semester had gotten so heavy, but the semester had gotten heavy right when I was trying to edit it, and I never got back to it until now. And so right now this is my first install video of the Rexing Dashcam, and I also have some driving footage in there, some of the daytime where you can hear the audio of me talking over the camera, and some at nighttime, and even when it's raining at nighttime too. I don't have any clear nighttime footage, but I have raining nighttime footage, and even that footage is pretty easy to make out what's a car, what's not, what's there. You can still see what's going on. So this is a great dash cam. I've been using it for months now, and it's fantastic. Go out and get one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Big thanks again to everyone who subscribed. I'll keep the videos coming. So thanks again, and enjoy the video.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another unboxing and install video for you. And it's really important. This is something that I think everyone should get no matter what car you have. If you drive a car, this is something you need. Alright, so what I have here is I ordered a dash cam, a front and rear dash cam for my Camaro. It's a Rexing dash cam. I believe it's the V1T third generation. It was only about it was only 180 on Amazon, but I spent a little bit more because I wanted the hardwire accessory. You can kind of see it there. It doesn't come with a camera, so I ordered that separate, and I also ordered an SD card for it as well. Okay, so the contents of the box are you have your power cable here that connects into the cigarette lighter, or 12-volt socket that's in your car. The rear camera, which is really cool. This trim puller, so you can pull back your trim so you can hide the wires. USB cable to connect the front and rear cameras to each other. The USB cable, so that when you take off the camera, if you want to keep the SD card in the camera, you can just take the camera out and take the footage off that way, put it on your computer. This is the front camera itself. It looks really nice too. Check that stuff out. I know you can't really see it in there, but it's really clean. It's clean, just like the spoiler. It's clean. And let's see what else we got here. This is the cable I ordered separate. That's the hardwire cable. SD card adapter for the micro SD card. That's in the camera. Little thank you card, some mounting plates here, some wire tuck-in things. So if you don't have anything to like zip tie the wires to, you can just use these. Stick them to the side and then stick the wire in to them, and then you have some 3M pads. You have 2 of these. So that's everything that's in the box. Me personally, I want to hardwire this camera in to my car. I don't want to use up the 12-volt slot because I want to plug in a radar detector one day, and that will probably be the next purchase after the tail lights. But anyway, I'm gonna go out into the car, try my best to install this stuff, and see how it runs. Alright, so here we are in the car. I brought out all the tools that I think I will need. I even brought my voltmeter so I can test out the fuses and the dash. And right now I'm trying to find a mounting place for this. This is the front camera. I think I found a place. I think I'm going to put it right here, just like that. And so the lens is not going through the anti-glare, and I think it'll stick there pretty well. The cables all run pretty well from here too. Nothing's in the way, so I think I'm going to go ahead and clean off this top surface here, clean off the window a little bit, stick it on there, see how it looks, and move forward from there. Alright, so that's what the dash cam looks like mounted. Is pretty cool. And now I'm just gonna, since I'm gonna hardwire it, I'm gonna reroute this cable all the way around through here, come down here, and this is where the Camaro's internal fuse box is. I'm gonna wire it in there, and we'll move forward from there. So how do I pull this out? I think I just grab under here and pull out. Yeah, I feel a clip under there. So I'm probably gonna do that off camera and come back. Alright guys, sorry about the sunlight glare, but I finally got the camera, like I said, mounted and connected to the fuse box. I had to pull out a fuse and replace it. It's just a power outlet fuse. I don't use the power outlets anyway, so that's where that fuse is going. The ground is right there, and so now all I have to do is finish routing this wire through, buttoning it all up with some zip ties, and we'll be good to go from there. That's the hardest part, and then trying to reroute the rear camera to the back of the car. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So the wiring job is done. I have it routed all the way up here, going all the way around this into here, down here, leading into the fuse box, and I have my wires zip tied and bundled up and stuffed down here, so hopefully they won't move anywhere. But if they do, I might have to come back in here and do something else, like zip tie it to maybe that piece of metal back there. But otherwise it's staying pretty well put, and I'm going to put the cover back on and wire the rear camera next. So that is what I'm going to do next. I'm going to have to stick it back there, find a good route, we'll find a good place for it, and then see how it looks. Alright guys, well, that is it. That is the install. It took me almost 3 hours. It was like 2 hours because I was trying to figure out the fuse box thing, route my wires correctly, make sure everything works, format the memory card, all that boring stuff. I got that out of the way, and now I'm here to show you the final product. I haven't driven with it yet. I haven't tested it out yet. This is just right out of the gate. My first impressions of the install, and it went fairly smooth. So let me show you what I did. So here is the front camera. This wire goes to the rear camera, so it's routed all the way through here. Turn around again, all the way to the back here to the rear camera right there. So that's the rear camera, and it does work. The power is right here. I don't know if you can see that, is right here, and it's routed all the way through here, and it goes down here to the side fuse box. That's where it's located on the Camaros. But it does work. So what you do is, keys, turn your key to the on position, and you give it a few minutes, and it should boot up. Maybe I have to boot it up. It automatically turned on before. Boom. Look at that. We have power. Yeah. And so as soon as you turn it on, it starts recording. That's what that red light means. And it works. Let me move my mirror so I can show you a little bit better what's going on. Okay, so you see that little square in the corner right here? That is to the rear camera. So that is working. And is recording footage as well, which is really cool. That light is a power indicator letting you know it's on. And I just think this stuff is so awesome. I might adjust a few more settings, but we're pretty much done here. I'm going to keep this manual with me in the car so that I know what I'm doing. And yeah, that's awesome. So I'm going to go with the drive with it and see how it turns out. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel. And as always, take care. So this is audio from the V1P 3rd generation Dashcam. You know, it sounds pretty good. It's not like actual video camera quality, but it does pretty well. You can understand what I'm saying. This is the view from the front camera. That is the view from the rear camera. That is, of course, you see the wing. But yeah, it's a pretty good camera. You need one. I mean, you don't have to buy this one specifically. I found this one on Amazon for about $180. You can find them cheaper, although I wouldn't go any cheaper than $100 because then your quality would suffer. You want a good quality dash cam that's going to last you a good while. I've been using this one for like a week or so, and I can vouch for it. It's really good. It's really well done camera. So this is what nighttime footage looks like on the V1P 3rd generation dash cam. And of course you can see the rear view that is really blurry because it's dark and it's rainy out. But still a pretty good camera. Everything shows up. You can tell what's a vehicle and what's not. And yeah, it's way better than not having one. And of course, at a clear night, you'll be able to see even better because there's no rain. So yeah, this is footage from our review, by the way. So okay, that's pretty much it.